We started sanding the roof. There was a lot of layers of old paint on there and rust. Started grinding it off. Took quite a few days to get it all off. And then I had to weld up a few of the holes. Somebody drilled a couple holes in the roof. I don't know if they had a roof rack on there or something. Then in the gutter areas, put POR 15 just to help with the rust. Then I started doing the body work. Got it all ready, prepped for primer. And masked up and ready to go. Gonna prime a little bit of the bus roof. It's my main concern, try to get it primed. So prime that and that body panel there, quarter panel. Today, it's the goal anyway. And this rear panel. Rest of stuff I still need to do a lot more work. So, anyways, some of it primed. Got the roof primed. Epoxy primer. Quarter panels done. I only primed the top of this because I'm replacing that and replacing that lower rocker. Just need to order the parts. I just did the top part for now.